Developing tonight, protection promised. President Biden extending temporary protected status for Haitians across the country, potentially saving thousands of people from deportation.
And the announcement came earlier today, and Local 10's Joseph Ojo joins us live in Miramar with what this means for our community. Joseph.
Well, Sanella, this decision by the DHS is welcome news for many Haitians, as they are hopeful that this is the path to permanent citizenship.
Every day is a good day to be Haitian, but today is extra special.
In Miramar Saturday night, Haitians not only celebrating Haitian Heritage Month, but also celebrating what could be a path to permanent citizenship.
And then we were very disappointed when the Trump administration terminated TPS for Haiti and other nations.
The Department of Homeland Security announcing an 18-month designation of temporary protected status, which means eligible Haitian nationals living in the U.S. can apply for citizenship, and TPS also lessens the threat of deportation.
Haiti has so many issues now. People cannot go back. You have insecurity, instability. You also have COVID.
On top of those rough conditions, many are still living in the streets, recovering from the earthquakes. And the massacres, kidnapping, and raping of women and girls are all the more reason TPS is welcome news for Haitians.
They're very pivotal to our community, our economy, and when you're living in limbo in terms of your status, it's just not it's not American.
Because for the first time in years, they'll be able to sleep, to have a good night's sleep without worrying about, having to pack their bags to go back to a nation that is, in turmoil right now.
And DHS says that Haitians who do come to the U.S. after May 21st, 2021, they will not be eligible for TPS. We're live in Miramar. I'm Joseph Ojo, Local 10 News.